Hi, I'm Courtney McQuade with Markets Group here at our private wealth event in Sydney, Australia. With me is Michael Karagianis, Head of Wealth at JANA Investment Advisers. Michael, it's so great to meet you.
And you too. Thank you for the opportunity.
Absolutely. So you just came off of moderating a panel talking about how allocators are preparing for the future. What were some of the solutions or plans that these allocators were talking about?
Yeah, look, I think some of the concerns that were expressed regarding the level of overvaluation across many asset classes after a very long bull market. Some of the structural themes being the shift towards a more sustainable economy and how do you invest for that? How do you protect against potential geopolitical risk? So there's certainly a lot to think about for a lot of investors out there at the present time.
Absolutely, and for you and your role in your firm, how are you preparing for the future, and what are your advisors at your firm talking about?
Yeah, look, we provide consulting services to private wealth and advice businesses in the wealth part of JANA. And I guess, the concerns they have are about achieving longer-term investment objectives, which is obviously very important for people's long-term retirement plans, but also trying to protect against some of the worst aspects of volatility that might emerge, because there's just so much that people are concerned about at this point. So from our point of view, it's very much about stressing the importance of diversification. When things are uncertain, when there's no obvious standouts in terms of one asset class being materially cheap, then the best thing to do is really to spread your risk as widely as possible. Look for diversification opportunities, not just in traditional asset classes, but also alternative asset classes that perhaps people haven't considered in the past.
Yeah, alternatives do seem to be a space now where people are looking, at least over the last couple of years in this current market interest rate environment. What about an alternative like private credit has also been a really hot topic. Is that something you and your team are talking about at all?
Yeah, private credit is probably the asset class du jour. You can't talk to anyone these days without private credit becoming a topic of conversation. Look, it's an aspect of alternative investing. Private equity, private credit, direct infrastructure, other forms of uncorrelated alternative asset classes. So without unduly stressing one particular component of that, we think it's worthwhile considering the full range of alternative asset classes that are available to you.
Fantastic. And tell me, it's the first time that we've had a chance to meet, Michael. How are you enjoying the event?
Well, as people may be able to hear, it's getting underway with drinks at this point in time. It's been a great day. It's a very professionally run event. Looking forward to the next one. And I'm looking forward to having a glass of red wine now.
Fantastic. Well, thanks so much, Mike, for taking the time to speak with me. I appreciate it.
Thank you for your time.
And we are live at our private wealth retreat.